In case you're the sort of individual that feels the Jeep Wrangler has gradually ending up too huge, substantial and delicate throughout the years, Indian automaker Mahindra may have the ideal vehicle for you. It's known as the Roxor, and it's essentially another diesel-controlled Jeep CJ. It's even worked in America, very Auburn Hills, a similar city where Chrysler home office is. Also, before anybody begins fussing about it being a sham, observe that Mahindra is one of numerous automakers that long back was authorized to construct Jeeps. Another organization that struck a comparable arrangement was Mitsubishi. In any case, how about we return to the Roxor? It has a no-frills steel body on a different steel outline. All that is suspended on leaf springs at all four corners associated with strong front and back axles. In the engine is a 2.5-liter turbocharged diesel 4-barrel making a small 62 pull, yet a better than average 144 pound-feet of torque for pulling the 3,000-pound SUV around. A 5-speed manual should enable drivers to get the most out of the little diesel, and the logo 4-wheel drive exchange case will enable it to go anyplace. There is a catch to the Roxor, however, and that is the reality: it's not road legitimate. It's delegated a rough terrain recreational vehicle just like numerous side-by-sides or UTVs. Mahindra has additionally restricted the Roxor's best speed to 45 miles per hour. Therefore, all things considered, it ought to be heaps of fun on trails, over rocks, crosswise over sand rises, any place the asphalt closes. Truly, sooner rather than later, it could be an extraordinary vehicle for getting around and dealing with expansive bequests, since an every now and again made inquiry about power departures and dump beds has an answer saying such items will appear later. What's more, even without those embellishments, the Roxor can't tow barely short of 3,500 pounds. Furthermore, another Roxor can be yours for simply finished $15,000. That is not precisely modest, particularly for a vehicle that is not road legitimate. However, opposite side-by-sides can extend from about $9,000 to over $20,000 relying upon execution and details. Not just that, it is a mess less expensive than another Wrangler, which begins at $28,190. So on the off chance that you need a chill little roader, however, needn't bother with it to be a day-by-day driver, the Roxor is a cool approach.